The man set several houses on fire and started a shootout against the policemen. How this deadly standoff ended, you'll see later in the video.
Mail! Mail! Mail!
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Stop! Hold fire!
Mail! Mail! Mail!
Show me your hands! Stop! Hold fire! 50-50
Show me your hands! Coming out! Coming out! I'm good. Hey, cover! Cover! Get to cover!
Everybody get behind the vehicle!
Self-checks, buddy checks.
Our squad needs to prosecute that. We're going to try to get in here and get all the civilians out of this area. .5350 St. Louis. We're moving up to the houses. Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Put that down! Stop! Hold fire! 5350 St. Louis. Shots fired.
Let's see your hands! Put your hands up!
Our deputy's good. Hey, get cover! Get cover! Get cover! Get cover! Everybody get behind the vehicle! I got cover!
I'm covering too. You guys check yourself.
Check your bodies! Check. I'm good.
You good? You good? Yep, I'm good. Alright, everybody's good?
Yep. 5350 St. Louis. Deputies are okay. Suspect is down.
We need a check up there.
Let's see your hands!
Jack, you good? Jack, you good?
Shots fired.
Hey, cover! Cover! Get the cover!
Everybody get behind the vehicle!
Self-checks, buddy checks.
I got cover! Show me your hands! Let's see your hands!
Get on the ground!
Stop! Hold fire! Shots fired!
5350
Show me your hands!
Let's see your hands!
Put your hands up!
See your hands!
Put your hands up!
Hey, get cover! Get cover! Get cover!
Cover, cover, cover!
Get cover! Everybody get behind the vehicle!
Self-checks, buddy checks.
I got cover!
I'm covering.
Let's see your hands, motherfucker! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Show me your hands!
Let's see your hands!
Put your hands up!
See your hands!
Put your hands up!
Hey, get cover! Get cover!
Get cover!
Get cover!
Get cover! Everybody get behind the vehicle!
Self-checks, buddy checks.
I got cover!
I'm covering too. You guys check yourself.
Check your
I'm
bodies.
good. Miranda, are you good?
Check, I'm good.
You're good? You good? Yep, I'm good.
Shot fired. Suspect is down.
Shots fired. Suspect down.
Alright, everybody's good?
Yep.
Good.
5350 St. Louis. Deputies are okay. Suspect is down.
We need a check up there for the